Today, continuing our exploration of network security, we delve into the realm of network segmentation, a crucial aspect that follows our discussions on IDPs, firewalls, and VPNs. Network segmentation involves dividing your network into smaller, more manageable segments or subnetworks. This strategic approach helps isolate sensitive data and critical resources, limiting the impact of potential security breaches and unauthorized access. Join us as we explore various methods and strategies for network segmentation, each designed to bolster your network's resilience and protect your valuable assets. Together, we'll delve into the intricacies of segmentation, uncovering the tools, techniques, and best practices that can empower you to safeguard your network infrastructure with confidence. Let's begin our journey into the world of network segmentation and discover how it can fortify the defenses of your digital domain. Let's delve deeper into the concept of network segmentation. At its core, network segmentation involves dividing a larger network into smaller, more manageable segments. This approach is essential for enhancing both security and manageability within your network infrastructure. The primary purpose of network segmentation is to isolate sensitive data, thereby protecting it from unauthorized access. Additionally, it helps control traffic flow, ensuring that data moves efficiently and securely between segments. By segmenting your network, you effectively reduce the attack surfaces available to potential intruders. This means that even if one segment is compromised, the breach is contained, preventing it from spreading across the entire network. Network segmentation is a strategic measure to safeguard your critical assets and ensure a more robust and resilient network architecture. Understanding these fundamental concepts and purposes will set the stage for implementing effective network segmentation strategies in your organization. Now, let's explore the various methods of network segmentation, each offering unique benefits and implementation strategies. Methods of network segmentation. VLANs. VLANs, or virtual local area networks, provide a way to logically separate networks within the same physical infrastructure. This means you can create distinct network segments without needing additional physical hardware. Implementation of VLANs involves configuring switches to create isolated network segments. Each VLAN functions as a separate network, allowing for efficient traffic management and improved security. Devices within the same VLAN can communicate freely, while communication between different VLANs can be controlled and restricted. Cisco tagging. Cisco tagging utilizes specific protocols, such as 802.1q, to manage and control traffic between VLANs. This tagging process involves adding a tag to the Ethernet frames, indicating which VLAN the traffic belongs to. This method allows for precise traffic management, ensuring that data intended for a specific VLAN does not accidentally cross into another. It's a powerful tool for maintaining the integrity and security of your segmented network. Physical isolation. Physical isolation takes a different approach by using separate physical hardware to achieve network segmentation. This means using distinct cables, switches, and other networking equipment to completely isolate network segments. While this method can be more costly and complex to implement, it offers the highest level of security. Physical isolation ensures that there is no overlap between segments, significantly reducing the risk of unauthorized access and data breaches. Firewalls and subnets. Using firewalls in conjunction with subnets is another effective method of network segmentation. Firewalls are configured to control access between different subnets, acting as a barrier that filters and monitors traffic. This setup provides an additional layer of segmentation by defining clear boundaries between subnets and regulating the flow of data. It enhances security by ensuring that only authorized traffic can pass between segments, thus protecting sensitive areas of your network. These methods collectively provide a comprehensive approach to network segmentation, allowing you to choose the most appropriate strategy based on your specific security needs and infrastructure requirements. By understanding and implementing these methods, you can effectively enhance the security, manageability, and overall resilience of your network. Now that we've explored the various methods of network segmentation, let's discuss how to get started and provide a practical example approach. Getting started with network segmentation. First, assess your network. Identify critical assets and sensitive data, and map out your current network topology. This assessment will give you a clear understanding of where your network stands and what needs protection. Next, define your segmentation goals. Determine your security and performance objectives and establish any compliance requirements. Knowing what you aim to achieve will guide your segmentation strategy. Then, choose the segmentation methods that best suit your needs. You can opt for VLANs, physical isolation, or firewalls, depending on your network structure and security requirements. Develop a segmentation plan. Create a detailed implementation plan, including steps for testing and validation. Make sure to address potential challenges and outline how you'll measure success. Finally, implement and monitor. Roll out the segmentation in phases, starting with less critical areas to test your approach. Continuously monitor the segmented network and make adjustments as needed to ensure optimal performance and security. Let's consider a practical example. Start with VLANs. Create VLANs for different departments such as HR, Finance, and IT. Use Cisco tagging to manage traffic between these VLANs, ensuring that each department's data stays within its designated segment. Next, add firewalls between the VLANs to control access. Define firewall rules based on your security policies to allow only authorized traffic between segments. For highly sensitive areas, consider physical isolation. Separate critical servers and infrastructure using distinct physical hardware to provide an additional layer of security. By following these steps and using this example approach, you can effectively implement network segmentation, enhancing the security and manageability of your network. Thank you for joining this session on network segmentation. Let's continue to build our knowledge and strengthen our network security. As we wrap up this session on network segmentation, I want to leave you with some valuable resources to help you dive deeper into the topic. On this slide, you'll find links to essential guides and best practices that can assist you in configuring VLANs, setting up firewalls, and understanding network segmentation in greater detail. For VLAN configuration, check out the Cisco VLAN Configuration Guide. For setting up firewalls, we have guides for pfSense, Cisco ASA, and Fortinet FortiGate. And for best practices, take a look at the NIST Network Segmentation Guidelines and the SANS Network Segmentation Basics. To access these links, please refer to the description below this video. These resources will provide you with the detailed information and technical specifications needed to effectively implement network segmentation in your organization. Thank you for joining this session. Let's continue to enhance our network security together.